Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Uber Eats push notification not working so you never miss order updates. First, go to your settings, then go to search for notifications, and then scroll down and check if you have turned the notifications on for Uber Eats or not. If you've not turned it on, allow the notifications on. Then open the Uber Eats app and then go to your account and then go to settings, then go to notifications, then ensure all notification types like order updates, promotions and messages are enabled. Next, make sure your phone is not in do not disturb mode, which blocks alerts. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Uber Eats, swipe it away completely, then wait for a while and reopen it. Restart your phone if needed. Next, head over to your App Store or Play Store and install the latest version of Uber Eats. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. That's how to fix the Uber Eats push notification not working. Subscribe for more app fixes.